Hey guys, I am Jeff Waller. I'm going to be teaching the 180 course you're signed up for. And we are not on campus for roughly the first 3 weeks, at least. Hopefully we'll be back on campus. I much prefer teaching on campus, but that doesn't mean we're going to have a bad time on Zoom. We're going to be fine. I wanted to go over the website real quick, the Canvas shell, and maybe a couple other things if I think of them. So up here right now, I've got a couple announcements. A lot of you guys have been into the Canvas shell. Let me become a student just so it looks exactly like it'll look for you guys. I updated the announcement to basically say we'll be remote. This is very cool. This is a PDF copy of the first homework assignment out of the textbook. And I'm very sorry that this page is like this. It's just the way it is. So, hey. Going back, so if you don't have a book yet, you can get ahead on the homework. You can start the chapter 1 homework stuff. That's awesome. The syllabus, I'm going to make a separate. Will I make a separate? I don't know. We can do this real quick. I mean, there's nothing much on here. I think I'm going to actually have to. I don't know. Well, all right. So as soon as we know for sure, when we get closer to the date, and we know for sure if we're going on campus or not, if we don't go back on campus, I am going to have to adjust the way this course is going to work. But we'll know when we get closer. Right now, our first test is going to be when we're supposed to be back on campus, which is fantastic, in which case I really don't need to change anything. But if we are held back remote more than that, I'm going to have to change the syllabus. How much do I want to talk about this right now? Let's see. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this when we meet the first day. That'll be fine. Let me go back here. All right, so there's the syllabus. So take a look at that. The homework sheet, I just now updated the correct homework sheet. I think a few people have been here, but nobody told me that I had the syllabus here also. That's not very useful. This is the homework for the whole semester, almost. I got chapter 8. We'll see how much time is left and how much homework I want to assign. Let's see. I think it's all right. Yep. These dates are dates that we'll be going over the material in these sections, in these chapters. They are not due dates. We'll talk about due dates in a second. You can see where the tests are currently scheduled to be. We will have quizzes. I don't do pop quizzes, but I don't put them on here because I want them to be a little more dynamic. But I will tell you at least one class ahead of time when there will be a quiz. There's important dates, last day to drop, spring break, all this kind of stuff. There's stuff about the final. Okay, so that's the homework sheet. Modules, this is the key place to go. Right now, I've just got, did I even? No. All right, hold on. I'm going to do some magical editing. Okay, all right. Sorry. Up here, you'll see some pre-calculus stuff. Trig especially. Trigonometry is one of the main things that get calculus students down, is remembering or even knowing their trig stuff in the first place. We will cover some trig stuff. There will be some trig workshops. If somebody's really weak with it, I'm going to point you to places you can go to kind of beef it up, but this is not a trigonometry class. I am expecting you to know trigonometry coming in. There are certain laws you're going to have to memorize. So that's a link to click for that. What is this one, Jeff? Oh yeah, this is just, oh really, neat. Is this a recording? Look at me, just forgetting what I've got up here. No, this is a, I got to take that down. Anyway, that's an old factoring review workshop. So this semester we'll have some factoring review workshops. Don't look at that, sorry, that's from last semester. This one's real quick. If student needs, basic needs, student services, mental health resources, my office hours. I think I updated this. Yes. So obviously, this is going to be true when we're back on campus. We're not going to be in this classroom. These office hours I'm going to hold over Zoom. So before our Zoom class starts, I'll be in Zoom early. That'll be my office hours. I'm actually going to be, believe it or not, I'm scheduled to be on campus with this class, because this class needs to use manipulatives. It has to be kind of like an on-campus class. So just a few courses were given permission to be on campus. This is one of them. So I will actually be on campus for this. If you want to come to campus, I'll be in this room. from 11:30 to 12:30 almost. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, all right, that's enough of that. Let's see. Go back here. Oh. And then there's stuff about vaccination stuff. And then here, this is a new one. All right, I got to edit this a little bit, but you're going to work through this. This video that I'm recording right now will be here. There's a video I recorded a few semesters back for how to do Canvas. And I think it's, I got to look back at that, see what that is. Sorry. And then there's I just changed the, what do you call it? Due date for this, the practice scan. So it's just really to make sure that you can upload homework in a format that I can actually access, which would really make it easier to grade stuff. I got a little thing about how to Zoom right here. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think this is the one that's from Canvas itself or from the school. I can't remember. I'm not even sure if, well, hopefully we'll find out. Factoring methods handout. In case you need some help with factoring, the quadratic equations handout. I don't know why that's up there. I think I copied it over from a pre-calc, but those are both little review things if you need to. Here's where I might do well, no, I'm going to take this one out. We're going to do the syllabus on the first day, so we'll go over real quick on the first day. So I'm just going to delete that. Oh, this one will be, I will put this up there. It's going to be a little survey just to kind of see where you guys are coming from, how long it's been since you took math, all that kind of stuff, just to kind of get a gauge for what class and who's in my class and all that kind of stuff. And then this is just a little handout, basics about the TI calculator, in case you haven't really used it much or something. You could use a different calculator if you have one that you really like. I will say I don't have expertise in calculators beyond the TI, so if you have like a Casio or an HP or something, good luck. I do post lecture videos to YouTube, so if you click on this link, it'll take you to YouTube and you can see my lecture videos. This is something that college put up here, Student Support Hub, which is nice. So you got a lot of little links to all kinds of stuff. This one's really, really good right here, the success coaches. Basically anything that is kind of like a barrier or you're having trouble with related to college or anything that affects your college performance, talk to one of these people. It's free. They will tell you exactly who to get in touch with. It's crazy. All right, so let me go back. Tutoring, I think I have to update this. Let me see. Yeah, I think right now it's good for, yeah, this is for intersession. Yeah, there you go, intersession. So it will be updated for spring 2022, hopefully. I mean, intersession goes just this one more week, so hopefully this will be updated. But this will be where you can log in to make an appointment, to get tutoring. You can also click this link here to go for drop-in tutoring. It's going to be 10 to 3, Monday through Thursday. Will be the, let me think. Do I have that right? No. It'll be, I'm thinking about when we're on campus. Everything's set up for on campus. I'll update that up here. I got to keep it straight. I'm not sure what these are doing here. I don't care about this. All right, I think that's everything. Let me double check. Is that everything I wanted to show you? Yes. Okay. And of course, this is the first picture of a black hole. Blah blah blah. That's interesting. Oh yeah, that's right. I was thinking between two different pictures to put here. I decided to put that one. I think that's it. Yeah, that's plenty, I think, for now. Okay, guys. So let me know if this video has spurred more questions or anything. Just let me know. Thank you, and I'll see you guys very soon.